So is your child in the first standard? There has been a transition from nursery to first standard, and have you enrolled for the foundation math program for your child? Now what is this program all about? Maybe you're thinking as a parent that the child is just in the first, so more probably the math is very basic. I don't need a program, I can handle it myself, or for that matter tuition teacher comes home, she can take care of it. Well, first standard is the most important here because the child is anyways getting used to school, is making an impression about the various subjects that he's getting exposed to, and this also applies to math. And considering the fact that math is a subject that you can capitalize on, let's get the base right, let's get the foundation right, and most important, let's train them to calculate in the head, let's train them to visualize the numbers. What do they normally do in school? What is the conventional way of teaching to add or to subtract? So say for instance, if I happen to ask your child what is 9 plus 6, 9 on 10 kids would do 9 in the mind and 6 on fingers. And I have worked with a lot of kids from 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, or even adults, even homemakers, those who attend our workshops. That finger habit is so drilled in them that they cannot mentally calculate. And this is where the base needs to be worked on. This is where we need to introduce the right habits at the right time for long-term results. Also, apart from training them on how to calculate mentally, even when we are introducing multiplication tables, it's not the rote learning. We get it comfortable with addition. They know the addition, so it's basically familiar with the unfamiliar, and at the same time making it simple for them. Yeah. Also, not to forget, in the first standard itself, we train them for 3 competitive exams. We have Global Math in the month of September, Ignited Mind in the month of December, and Olympiads in December again. Now you may probably think, for a 5-year-old, for a 6-year-old, why should I pressurize them? Why should I stress them out? No, we make it fun, we make it interesting, because we are not looking at training them for any particular school math or any competitive exam. We are just looking at training them for life. We are very clear on one objective, that after the year gets over, they need to fall in love with the subject, because only then they can capitalize on the subject. They are confident, they are math lovers, and they are all ready to set themselves for the grades to come. And this is exactly what paves the way for your 9th and 10th. So if you just think like me, if you resonate with me, and this is what exactly you want for your child, make sure you get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number 98202 86873. Let's first have a session with your child, let's understand your child, and have a step-by-step process and strategy that will make your child comfortable and confident with math. Alternatively, you could also drop me a mail on sandhya@mentalmaths.in, and it will be my pleasure to guide you and make you walk through the process. Cheers.